my trailer. Everything I fucking own. Please don't burn my trailer. I tried getting my truck going, but the battery's dead. Fuck, dude. Oh, I'm bleeding. Freaking glass. Oh my gosh. Well, this is it. Motorcycles, e-bike. Oh my goodness, dude. None of that's insured. Dude, what a mess. Oh, fuck, dude. Oh, shit, dude. What else am I supposed to do, you know? Alright, continuing with this video, might as well. I didn't physically see my truck or trailer on fire. This is the only way out pretty much right now, so I don't know, we'll see if it's clear or we're gonna have to do some rally car fire craziness. Wow, dude, this is wild. It was super windy today. I tried to start my truck and the battery was dead, and then I put my jump starter, my jump pack on it, and it wouldn't do anything. It was just like click, click. So at that point I threw a bunch of stuff in bunch of expensive stuff and my essentials in the car, and we're out for the time being. Close this window. Oh, there's a rabbit. Get in, dude. There's a lot of land on fire. I mean, it was like 2 miles away when I saw the smoke, and it spread quick. Smoke we go. Holy shit, dude. Got it probably a mile and a half left here. And it's on fire on the other side of the road. Oh gosh. Alright. I guess the fire is kind of past here already. Man, you know, if the fire travels so quick and burns out, then maybe my stuff is all right.
How you doing?
Hello.
Where are you coming from?
So I was camped out there.
Okay.
And the fire, it has gone around my trailer at least. I'm not sure if it's on fire or what. But
okay.
There's a couple motorcycles. There's a Dodge Cummins truck.
Somewhere within the burn?
Yeah.
Is there anybody out there?
No.
No, I see you're bleeding. Do you need a medical?
No. I was throwing water jugs in the car and busted, but
You were the only one?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, you're gonna go out to Norelia, okay?
Yeah.
And just hang out there?
Okay.
Are you sure you don't need medical?
No,
I get the ambulance to stage right there for you.
I'm good.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right, and nothing else is out there that you can think of?
I mean, it's like an enclosed trailer, and it's
Okay.
like pretty much everything I have in it.
Okay.
And there's like a 7-gallon gas can. I think it's mostly empty.
Okay. But do you think the fire's already gone past all that?
I feel like it has. Looking at this, I feel like it probably did something similar to that.
Okay.
It's like at least a half mile that way or 3/4 of a mile.
Where are you cut at? Where?
It's my finger right here.
Alright. You don't need. You want? I can start an ambulance to have you looked at.
It's okay.
All right.
I didn't realize how kind of quick it would burn out. If my trailer did survive, we got some reorganizing to do because I threw stuff everywhere trying to get everything packed, and then my truck didn't start. This is insane, dude. Oh my gosh. Wow. Man, dude. I guess we'll drive out here. Sometime later, I see smoke, which is not exactly a good sign, but hey. Oh, this is burned out. This guy was just dropping the red fire stuff. Wow. Alright, we're back. Look at this. What fire? Just get to my game. This side though. Look at that. Actually, the trailer did catch on fire. Thought, anyways. Bunch of ashes blown. Helicopter flying.